So in this pour, I am using primary Cyan, primary Magenta, Cobalt Teal Hue, and Dioxazine Purple, mixed with the DecoArt Premium medium, 2 parts of paint, 1 part of medium. And then I am using 1 drop of each of the lubricants. So one is the treadmill belt, the other one is Dimethicone purchased raw, and this is FX Silk, which contain also Dimethicone. So there are 3 different type of oils that I'm putting on this pour, 1 drop of each. This is how the Dimethicone looks when it is clean, because right now it is not clean. So let me see if I have a clean FX Silk, and this is the FX Silk. So those are the 3 oils that I'm using, and this is the white, is Americana, these are premium, and this is Americana Titanium White. We're going to now concentrate on making them bigger. And prettier. Gonna bring it a tiny bit more to this side because it is more colorful at that in that side. So let's cover that corner, is ugly, so there you go. And then we can bring it a tiny bit back. I think I'm gonna leave it as it is right now. I like to have my cells big, but if you don't like your cells big, like I do, I like very, very big cells. You see, that's a very, very large cell. Let's see if I can zoom in there. I like very large cells, but if you don't want them that large, you see that those large cells, what you can do is do not torch at the beginning and torch at the end, so that your cells don't get very, very large. So this is the final result.